if you're in private practice and your experience is that you are having trouble attracting clients and getting inquiries, or the diary is really inconsistent. Some weeks you've got clients, some weeks you don't, and maybe you're not paying yourself, and definitely perhaps not even paying into your superannuation. You might be thinking that this is all happening because of things like cost of living, or maybe you're not on Medicare, or maybe it's because perhaps you're not qualified enough, things like that. But those aren't really what's usually going on. What's usually going on is behind the scenes, the business is missing some of the key foundations that are required in order for it to generate leads consistently or inquiries consistently, to keep the diary going and to be able to pay you. You don't need to do things to fix it. Like, you don't have to lower your fees. You don't have to go to uni and get another course. You don't have to do more tinkering on the website and things like that, especially if you don't know what to do, right? The good news is you've been able to get the business, if you're in private practice, you've been able to get it to here, right, to where it is. But what you're probably realizing is you don't know how to get it the next thing. And so what you're doing is you just keep doing more of what you know to do, and you're hoping that there's going to be a different outcome, that eventually, if you just try hard enough, the clients will come. I want you to know that's the biggest waste of time. It doesn't work like that. Because what you really need is, you need to understand what the systems are that successful private practices have in place that maybe you don't yet. You need to look at the systems that you've got and have somebody say to you, oh, we're missing this bit over here, or this bit here isn't working right, let's refine it. That's what you need. And I think on top of that, the bigger thing is being able to implement things quite quickly and get them going, right? So that's exactly what Practice Momentum is. It is a hybrid of business coaching, which is where you are empowered to make your own decisions, talk them through, arrive at them yourself. But it's also business consulting, which is the practical and tactical, step by step. Here's a plan, here's how we're going to do it, right? So, because in my experience, when women have a plan and they know the step by step and they're supported, they become unstoppable and they do some amazing things. My program is delivered through voice note coaching, which has been researched so much and shown to get faster results than traditional business coaching. It just hasn't been done in the world of private practice. So this is very, very important, because when you're able to get help at the push of a button and know that you're going to be able to tap into the guidance and the expertise of somebody who's done it before, who's got 30 years experience, who knows what she's doing, who's also a qualified business coach, right there in your pocket as you're trying to update your copy, look at the Facebook post, write the email, charge the cancellation fee, check the strategy or the process that you're working on. It allows you to get answers more quickly, which means you're not in limbo. You're not having to go fishing in Facebook groups for answers anymore. You're not waiting 3 or 4 weeks until your next supervision session. So you're not stalling. You're not feeling overwhelmed. You're not feeling like you're stuck. You know exactly what to do. Like, it's like this. And this is why the program is called Practice Momentum. With it, I've helped people who are brand new to private practice, and you can see on the page below, you will see evidence of return on investment. You will also see case studies and things like that. But, one of my clients, she was brand new to private practice and she built it to $160,000 in her first year of business, and she wasn't even working full time. So this is what I mean. Like, you wouldn't normally see these results so quickly with traditional business coaching, but my unique coaching methodology, along with the way that it's delivered, means that when you're engaged and when you implement and when you ask for help and, you have access to the support quickly, you get it done quickly and you move forward. You might be wondering, oh, I don't have time for a course, or I don't, all of the things. I get it. Like, you're busy. So am I. You don't have time to be sitting down for an hour on Zoom, nor do I. That's why this is going to work. Because it's flexible voice-based coaching, you are able to drop me a voice note in between sessions as you remember things, while you're doing meal prep on the weekends, while you're dropping the kids off at netball or cricket or footy or whatever you're doing. You can sit there and you can be getting help, brain dumping, venting, getting guidance, getting support, processing, unpacking things, getting the next step. You can be doing all of that, and it fits around what you're doing. It doesn't add to an already very busy schedule that you might have. The other thing too is you might be thinking, well, how much does it cost? And the investment is an investment into the business. So normally people get business coaching to make money. Businesses, unless they're not for profit, are about making money. So you probably wouldn't even be looking at this page right now if you were in a position where you had loads of money, right? You're here because it's not coming in. And so you're wanting to figure out how to get it in. The clients that I work with on average generate between $8 and $9 for every $1 that the program costs them. All up, the program at the moment is $12,000. That is going to change in future, but at the moment, that's what it is. And plus GST. And there are easy ways that you can pay it off. In fact, if you want, I also have an information pack that breaks it down in terms of the number of sessions that you need in order to make it happen. And part of the work that we do together is in getting you getting the business to a point where it is paying for itself, just like it has for other clients that I've worked with. This is a business coaching program that absolutely has paid for itself 8 and 9 times over, as you just heard, and as you'll see below, for many of my clients. And there's no reason why it can't for you too. In saying that, this program tends to work best for people who are coachable, meaning that you're open to suggestions, open to guidance, are going to do the things, are open to getting some feedback around how we could make improvements and things like that. Yeah, and if you're a self-starter, right? So this program is not about a whole lot of technical stuff because it's voice-based. So I can't help you with the technical things if that's what you're needing. You might need somebody else to help you with that. You might be thinking, I don't know if voice is going to work for me. I'm so used to doing Zooms or even like this video here on a Google Meet. What I can share with you is the research shows that, as I mentioned before, it gets higher success rates than in person and Zooms and things like that. So there's that. But also, if you do find that during the course of our time together, you want to have some FaceTime with me, that's perfectly okay. When we first begin, we will have a sit down, you and I, and we'll map out what's happening with the business for you right now and where do you want it to be during our work together? Where do you want it to go? And then we'll look at a plan for you. You will leave knowing what you're going to focus on. Each month, you have the option there available to you. If you wanted to connect with me for a pop-up call, you can absolutely do that, where we can have some FaceTime. But also we have a quarterly meeting online. It goes for about half an hour. And basically, we're just touching base in person. It's an opportunity to connect. And what we're going to do there is look at the numbers, make sure the business is hitting the revenue goals, hitting the client goals, the marketing goals, all those kinds of things, and making a fresh plan for the next 90 days from there based on your progress. So it's very results focused. It can be as intensive or as not as you want it to be because it zigs to your zag. Because there's no appointments apart from our quarterly catch-ups, this is appointment-free coaching. It works really well for people like me and maybe like you who are neurodivergent, and our energy, sometimes it's really great and other times it's, still great, but we're resting. So on those days, you might not want to have a Zoom or you might not want to do work. That's perfectly okay. Don't have to. This program, my framework, and the way that it's delivered work for your energy, not against it. So, yeah. If this is sounding interesting to you and it sounds like this could be the solution that you've been looking for, then you are absolutely welcome to scroll below and click the button to go and apply. When you apply, you'll fill out a little Google form. It doesn't cost you anything to apply. And then what will happen is I will reply to that application within 1 or 2 working days by email to let you know of the progress. If your application progresses, we will have a call together so that I can ask you a few more questions and clarify whether or not this is actually the right program for you, because there's another similar program that's for people who are in established businesses that are not having issues around getting clients and marketing and stuff like that, but they're wanting to do things like create passive income or hire team members, or maybe even scale back from doing so many one-to-ones to maybe doing fewer one-to-ones. So that program is called Momentum Ascend, and that would be a better option for you. So I want to have a chat and just see where you're sitting in terms of making sure that you're getting the correct support, and also so that I can answer any questions that you might have. But please take a moment and enjoy the page. If you have questions, let me know. If you feel like applying, absolutely go for it. There are intakes that happen quarterly, and yeah, we can go from there. Thank you so much for being part of my world, and here's to your practice success. Bye.